My friend don't know where she is. I thought I don't know where he going. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patty for those of you who do not know, and today this vlog is going to be a little different because I have random different things I'm doing. It's not really a weekend or weekly. I don't know what I called it but yeah, so today, you guys know how I've told y'all in like several cozy conversations and different vlogs that I really try to live my life and do all that I want to do and try not to live in fear, because you just never know when you're no longer going to be here. And anyway, a lot has taken place and I'm trying to keep it on. Today we are celebrating one of my friend's birthdays. She's joining the 30s club next week, but she's gonna be out the country. So y'all, my friend, like several years ago when we first met and we transitioned to the second job together, she did this thing where she just came to my desk, right? I had went to the bathroom. She had left notes, right? And it was different notes that I had to read in order. And one was like, you have to meet me at my car in the parking lot at so-and-so time. Make an excuse to leave work. And she just took me all over the place, and it was such a fun day. So today, she getting a little dose of her own medicine. You feel me? She has no idea what we're doing. Y'all, I can't wait to show y'all what's going down. We're going to this new restaurant on the wharf that neither one of us have ever been to. And then we're going over to the Kennedy Center because they're doing this event. It's supposed to be like a murder mystery where the audience gets to help solve the murder. So I'm excited. I think it's going to be really fun. We're getting all dressed up and stuff tonight. So, yeah. We're late, but we made it. But we're late, but we made it. She still don't know where she is. We are here. We are late, but we are here. My friend don't know where she is. I thought I don't know where he going. As long she grew up in the DMV, y'all. I ain't come to DC though. Hey y'all, so I need to pop in here because it's been probably like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks since that first footage that you guys saw because life happened. So I'm getting ready to tell you guys what happened, include some things with mental health. So if that's going to be a trigger for you, I have a timestamp that's going to be on the screen where you could just skip ahead to next events, because the last thing I want to do is to trigger anyone. So the events that we did for my friend's birthday celebration were so fun. I really enjoy going to the Kennedy Center. It's somewhere that I will continuously go on their website and see what types of events and shows that they have going on, because they always got something going on. The restaurant, baby, chef's kiss. The service, the atmosphere. Guys, I left them a review and they gave me a private link for booking. I was just giving your just due credit. So what happened? I had a loved one to pass away suddenly, and that shifted me into support mode. I am a person that I think I process things in a delayed manner, and I can oftentimes push through things and then it hits me later. So I was trying my best to be very, very supportive and be there. And I've also have told y'all in the past that I struggle with the seasonal blues. Some people call it seasonal depression. There's different terms for it. It is not something that is made up. There was an article about it in the Post. There are actual doctors that talk about this. And I was really, really sad. I was sad. And then that week, and I had to shoot a wedding. So it took everything in me. Everything in me to pull myself together, to put a smile on my face, to try to push through without projecting my emotions on anyone. And the wedding was a great time. I was praying so hard, just God, please give me the strength. This is someone's special day. I can't just, the next day, your girl got sick. Like, I was feeling weak. I actually thought maybe I had COVID again. And I tested multiple times throughout the week, and I did not. I think I was exhausted. It might have been, dabbling some grief. And I actually was not able to make, sorry guys, the services because I was not feeling well. And I had the worst breakdown about it because I really, really wanted to be there for my cousin and my family. But physically, I could not. I put a lot of pressure on myself to try to be there for everyone that I can, to try to keep up with all the things I'm trying to do. And guys, I broke down. I felt like a failure. I felt so sad. I felt disappointed. I felt like I let my cousin down. And I just felt like I'm getting so behind. Like, I was like, this is the worst week to be sick. I missed the services. I needed to start editing those wedding photos because this weekend, as you're about to see, I had more shoots to do, so I'm really behind. I was like, I'm supposed to be doing content. My house looks a mess. I need to be checking on people and doing this or that. And it was so hard for me to just be still. One of my coworkers put in her notice and dipped out. Like, shawty dipped out. Like, no transition and nothing. So a lot of those overwhelming projects that I was working on prior got put back on my plate, and trying to maneuver and figure out the status, current documents, everything was a mess. I was just like, bruh, life got them hands. And I like, bruh, listen, I be trying to duck, dodge, roll with the punches, but I'm going to tell you, life got that round. Life got that round. But I'm still here. I'm still here. I am finally feeling better. I know that I need to create a new schedule for myself because the current way I'm going about living life and doing things is not sustainable. And it is terrible that the only time I get an extended amount of rest is when I get sick. That's not okay. And I'm trying to reconfigure a better schedule for myself. This week, I'm finally feeling better and able enough to start back working out. Oh, God. That was something else that hit my self-esteem. I knew I had gained weight, so I decided to take current picture of my body, bra and underwear, and I compared it to another picture from about a year or two ago when I was really on top of my fitness. Y'all, I broke down and cried again. I just felt like, bro, I put in all that work. all that effort, and here I am. But you know what? It's also hard to lose weight or to maintain when you're not getting rest. So I'm the problem. And that's the most frustrating part, is when you know you the problem. You can't blame nobody else because it's you. So I feel like a lot of people feel like this at some point in their lives. So I just feel like life is just a giant recalibration. Every season you gotta do something different, and that's okay. As you're about to see, I got the chance to go to North Carolina and take some pictures of my family. And my daddy was so sweet enough to help me drive because I needed it. And it was a good time. I don't know, it's just something about being around my family that just makes me feel so better. Have y'all ever watched the movie War Room? If you have, at the end of the movie, when the older woman is selling her house, and there's a retired pastor, I believe, and his wife, when they walk into the closet that she used to pray in, he could feel it. And I say that to say, when I walk into my parents' home, when I walk into my grandmother's home, it's just a love that you feel that's just unexplainable, and I needed that. Also went to church on Sunday, which was great because I think I've expressed to y'all, I'm tired of trying to be a bedside saint. It's just not hitting the same. And while we were there was a woman that spoke to us afterwards, and I was telling her that if she would drop this scripture that I'm a put on this screen, something about forsake not the assembly, something of that nature. I'm gonna have it on the screen. And I was like, yo, yes, like dedicated time to just be in the word, not be on my phone. Cause listen, you know when you watching church online, you be on your phone, you just be distracted. It's just not the same as being in the body, with the body, in church. It's just not for me. Feel how you feel. I ain't even trying to get into that conversation. In the comments, I'm just gonna delete it. Like, I ain't got time. And I'm feeling better. I have all of my vitamins and stuff back on stock. You know, this time of year, got to increase that vitamin D. And also, just a word to the wise. If you have someone in your life that is struggling with their mental health, if you've never experienced depression, you are a very, very blessed and lucky individual. But a lot of people do. A lot more people are. And the worst thing that you can do is diminish how someone is feeling. Don't hit them with the, oh, you just need to be positive. Bruh, if you've never felt that in your life, you just don't get it. And you don't have to get it. But don't overly simplify someone's issues with their mental health. Don't sit there and say, oh my God, so the sun is going down earlier, so that makes you sad. Don't say nothing like that. Okay? Don't do that. You could push somebody over the cliff saying some mess like that. You don't get it, you don't get it. That's okay. That's okay. Everything ain't for you to get. But watch what you say to people. Okay? Okay. So yeah. You guys are about to see a little bit more of my weekend. And then after that, I think that's pretty much going to be it. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an update. I know it's been a while since y'all saw a vlog. Y'all probably was like, girl, where did you go? I did tell y'all I was slowing down in November, and I meant that. So I do have some more fragrance videos coming for you guys and some other little stuff I'm trying. So stay tuned for that. Back to our regularly scheduled program. Good morning, y'all. So I am stopping at Starbucks on my way to Richmond and then to North Carolina. I have some family portraits to do there, and my daddy was so sweet, as he always is, and is gonna drive me the rest of the way. Once I get to Richmond, I was able to get up on time. Who am I? A girl who got some rest last week. And yeah, so I'm just gonna give y'all a few little snips of where my parents are from, where they family live, and all of that jazz after I get this Starbucks, because your girl needs some energy. My daddy got me out here. He picking up some peanuts.
They take a picture of the ride too.
Okay. No, grandma was sitting us down there to get some pecans. So guys, I had a really great weekend. It was a tiring weekend because Saturday, whoo, I definitely should have drove to Richmond Friday night, but I was trying to do some other things. It was nice going out there and thrifting / stealing peanuts with my daddy, and just being back at my grandma's house, seeing family. It was really nice. Sunday was nice. Also, my brother got engaged, y'all. I'm so excited. He's so happy. She's a very sweet girl, and I'm very happy for them. So today was a hectic day for me. It's a Monday. I also had a pre-interview conversation. So Lord, if it be in your will for your girl, if he opens the door, I will say yes. So yeah, considering new things, new options, all the things. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being understanding. Thank you so much, guys, for the comments. I have received some wonderful comments and beautiful DMs. Also, guys, I did change my Instagram handle so that it now mirrors my YouTube handle. I should have done that a long time ago, but here we are. So thanks again so much for watching, guys. I will catch y'all in another video. Bye.